Beautiful ranch on a large corner lot. Ready for you to move in and enjoy. All your major items have been replaced in the last 5 years. Windows 2019, roof 2018, wrapped house in 2019, kitchen 2015, bathroom 2020, deck 2020. Gas furnace 2021 with 10-year warranty. Beautifully updated kitchen, with tons of storage. All new flooring throughout downstairs, brand new carpet in the frog. Large deck that goes out to the above-ground pool. A cement slab in backyard you can use for just about anything, RV, boat, fire pit, whatever will fit your needs. Highly sought after area of Deep Creek. Come see now.